What is a resistor? A resistor is a passive electrical component that limits or regulates the flow of electrical current in an electronic circuit. The standard symbols are of two types, American and IEC standard. To be more clear, view the images. The unit of resistance is ohms. When more resistance is applied, the flow of current is compressed. Now let us see how to use a resistor. You can't connect a LED directly to a 9 volts battery. If connected, the LED would be short-circuited. Now if a resistor is connected, the voltage would be compressed and the LED would not short-circuit. To use a resistor in a circuit, we need to know what resistance is required. This is where Ohm's law kicks in. It was found by George Simon Ohm. Once we find the resistance, we must select the resistor. For this, we must follow the resistor color coding. For a better understanding, view the image. Hope you understood what is a resistor and how to use it. See you guys in the next video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MLS.